Hey guys, thanks for watching Precision Rifle Network. Joel here. So usually I just kind of start in with something about what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to get there. But first off, I wanted to point out that if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a minute to just stop and hit that subscribe button and help us out. We're really close to 20,000 subscribers. I'd love to bust through that mark and continue growing. Really need you guys to be subscribed. And then also that bell notification icon. If you hit that thing, you'll be notified of all the content and videos that go up to the channel so you don't miss anything. I'm constantly getting messages from people like, hey, have you ever done a video on ... I'm like, yeah, dude, it was like 3 weeks ago, just did that. if you were subscribed and had the bell notification icon, you would have known that. So that's my ask this morning. So what we're doing today is I'm heading over to my local FFL dealer to pick up a Bergara rifle, and that is Black Rifle LLC in Boonville. And this channel is all about competitors, hunters, and operators. You see it in my intro and in various places, and as of yet I haven't done a whole lot on the hunter or operator side of things. That's going to be changing, and one of those changes is going to be this Bergara rifle that I'm going to be reviewing in the next couple of weeks. So we're going to make a video about going over and getting it, and just kind of my initial thoughts on the rifle as I kind of unbox it. So let's go. Had to get a sippy. Best monster, fight me. Yes, I just called it a sippy because I'm 4. Picked up the Bergara. It's going to be an awesome addition to the hunting rifle type series we're going to be doing here on Precision Rifle Network. So let's go home. We're going to unbox this thing and just give you my initial impressions. Then we'll follow it up with a part 2 of actually shooting the gun and see how it groups, and we'll take it out to distance and all that good stuff. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back here at the man cave. Got the Bergara rifle. We're going to go ahead and get this thing out of the sleeve and see what we got. Nice little, Cordura case. It's army green or whatever you want to call it, OD green. Go ahead and see if we can unzip this thing with one hand and pull it out for you guys. Alright guys, here she is. This is the Bergara B14, and it's in 6.5 Creedmoor. Obviously nice custom painted stock, and looks like detachable AICS style magazine. Nice oversized kind of tactical style bolt handle. Got us a probably a 20 MOA base up on top. Yep, it says right there 20 MOA, so that's nice. Nice addition to that. As we come forward, it's kind of your traditional hunting style thing, but it's got some other kind of crossover features. Obviously we've got sling swivel studs on the bottom, where I will probably mount some sort of a Picatinny rail, and looks like we've got flush cups on the front and the back for stock. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's kind of a medium contour. It's a little thicker than a varmint. I'm not exactly sure what contour that is. Looks like they've got their kind of built-in brake. Probably not going to do a whole lot to mitigate recoil with that brake. It looks like it's just, venting the gases out and around. Right off the bat, I kind of don't like that it vents the gases down towards the ground, especially in a hunting situation. That's going to kick up all kinds of dust and things like that could potentially come back into the face of the shooter. Not into the face, but like, up in front of your view when you're looking through an optic. So again, this is just unboxing and just giving my initial kind of thoughts about it. As we get more into it, I'll give you more details. But so here's the other side. Nice big oversized bolt release now. I mean, look how far that thing sticks out, man. Like that's That's pretty significant, but I kind of like that actually. It's just very positive. Got your safety indicator there on the back of the bolt. Push forward to fire. Cheek piece obviously adjustable with that screw right there on the other side. You can just kind of get it set in place where you want it. Length of pull not adjustable, but you know, you could probably add a pad or something on the back there if you had to. So all in all, looks pretty good, guys. I don't know what you think, but I'm excited to try it out. All in all, looks pretty good, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video today. Not much else going on right now with it. Again, I'm going to do a follow-up video on this rifle, giving you groups and how it shoots with a couple different types of ammunition. And again, this is kind of more towards the hunting vein of things. You know, here at Precision Rifle Network, we're all about competitors, hunters, and operators, and this is more along the lines of hunting as we start to go into later summer and into the fall here. Might be a good rifle for people to look into. So thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you appreciated the video. Smash that subscribe button, please. That helps me a ton. Consider supporting through Patreon. That helps a ton. And check back soon for a follow-up video on this Bergara B14 and 6.5 Creedmoor. Thanks.